Just checking in, y'all, to tell y'all happy December 1st. Y'all already see where she's at. Y'all already see. Checking in, checking in. Hope you guys are doing well and happy December 1st. Good morning. Good morning. What are y'all doing? It's time to get out. All praise to the Most High for another day. It is December the 2nd, and we give thanks and we give him praise for waking us up this morning. Let's go. Let's go.
Response that for Japan, I'm hoping to get shot by like fans and they post it or paparazzi so that we get images. We get tons of content from my app and my
Hey guys, so sitting here on the couch, I had to get up because checking on my plant, my baby right here, Big Bertha, I see that there is a problem. So all this time, y'all, I only found one dead leaf. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to dispose of her so she can finish growing like she does. All right, guys, I am back. I just want to show y'all my kitchen. Y'all, I love my kitchen space. It is so clean. Love it, love it, love it. I love waking up to a clean space. But guys, time to get rid of this pumpkin. And this is the glass. I'm going to put one of these. I'm going to look for one of these tops, y'all. You see that? That's going to be pretty. Put one of these tops on it, like for oil diffuser to host my grapeseed oil or whatever oil I use, avocado oil. Probably avocado. I probably get avocado or grapeseed. But that's what's going to be housed here. But this pumpkin got to go. I'm about to make some coffee. I have to take a shower. I have a busy day today. Yeah, so y'all gonna come along. I gotta go see my niece play orchestra. Yeah, and I think I might have the boys too. So let's get busy.
receive it. Do not try to inject Stellari.
Hey guys, this is some good skin tactics for your skin. This is a roller blade, and one side is bigger than the other. The smaller side is for the creases of your eyelids, and the other side is for your cheekbones. This works very well, as you can see on my face, on my skin. Hold on, let me see if I can put y'all right here, and we'll try to get it zipped up. Okay? Let's try to get it zipped up right now and get it snapped. Ooh. And all that great stuff. So there we go, y'all. She's all fastened up. So I just want to say, believe it is 50 degrees today. It is December the 2nd. It's 50 degrees, so much different than what I showed y'all a week ago. But yeah, so y'all, yeah, this hair ain't gonna stay like this, but I did straighten her out to see like how long she is. And you know what's so funny? Listen, honey, whoever you are, like you're jealous, hater, whoever was in my comments talking about why would you care about hair at this age? First of all, I don't know what you think. I'm not your age. I don't care if you 55 on up or whatever. I'm not in that age group, thank God. Yes, but I'm just saying, I'm just wise and I'm smart and I'm not a jealous. I'm not a hater. And when you have wisdom, people think you older. But I have wisdom and knowledge, and I was raised by some good women. But anyway, yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna do like vlogmas because I don't do Christmas no more. Because if you're a Christian and you're not a hypocrite, and you know, you wouldn't celebrate that, because it says in the Bible, don't cut down no tree and put lights and stuff on it and put it in your house. I think it's in Jeremiah or something. I'm gonna try to find it and plug it in here. But I'm gonna bring y'all what I can. Like, I ain't gonna hold myself to it 100%, but I'll bring y'all some things, like maybe take the boys to see the lights and stuff. I do like to see like stuff like that, because y'all know I already like beautiful stuff. But yeah, but stop being like a hater and a jealousy, y'all. Look, I just wanted, like I said, I just wanted to show you the length of my hair, how you can grow natural hair. I don't have to wear a wig, and I'm very grateful and fortunate. And if you've been following me for a long time, you already know my hair journey been natural, and I'll flatten it out, straighten it out sometimes. But honey, I'm grateful for this. Don't hate, cultivate, motivate. So I'm getting ready to go exercise. That's what I'm getting ready to do. So I'm gonna do my 4 miles. If I can show y'all something, I might not. I don't know. We'll see. Okay. Yeah, I got the babes. Yeah, look at my hair. What did I tell y'all? I did 4 miles in the hair. I mean, it's okay, but it's a little poofy. But you guys can see the length check. But I'm about to go in the house, get dressed, and we gotta head out. Huh?
No, wipe my shoe off.
Oh, you gotta wipe your shoe off outside, huh?
Mom said, when she get home, when we get home, she gonna put me on YouTube.
I'm gonna grab me something to wear, okay? So today, it is chilly outside, so I'm gonna take this sweater. This one's really clean. And I think I'm gonna get these black jeans out. And I think I'm gonna carry these. Y'all know I love these. So I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed and I'll be back. So guys, this is my outfit of the day. I got on my lovely boots, as you can see, the sweater, got my jeans on, and I'm gonna spray on Floriano tuberose today because I haven't worn this one in a long time. It smells so good. And yeah, that's my attire. I'm gonna put on my hat, and that's it. I'll see you guys in a minute.
I see you guys.
See if that'll wipe that spot up. Come here, Mari. Come get this stuff out the fridge.
What the?
Get y'all's things out of there. Those 2 boxes down there. Get that. Take those 2 boxes that's down there. No, right here, honey. Grab those. What's all that screaming? They always doing so much. Just set them right here, honey. Set them right there. So, guys, we're getting ready to go. I'm going to grab my coat. I wanted to grab some things for them. And I'll see you guys in the car. I'm about to say, you ain't had that seatbelt on the whole time. What's all the noise for, huh? Huh? It's good. Okay. We rolling from the back seat while we snacking.
Why you back here?
Why am I back here? With y'all?
I'm tying my shoes.
Well, hurry up and tie him. Let's go. You did so good.
Thank you.
That was so good. I was back there jamming. They don't understand. They did not understand, y'all. She did so good. Yes. Y'all, that was amazing. They were cutting up. Hey, girl. Open the door for the ladies. For the ladies. Open the door.
That's what they get. You don't want a piece of cake?
Your fries are cold.
Oh, wow.
These fries are.
They're probably waiting for
You can add it so it doesn't come with it.
Cold food is not good. It's not. Is it cold? Your fries cold? Cameron.